encourage your kids to nurture the bird life in your garden. Setting up a bird cafe is a rewarding way for kids to attract and feed birds. Putting scraps of leftover food to good use. Find some moulds to set your bird cafe dishes in, some string and the following ingredients. 250 grams of fat, 250 grams of bird feed and 250 grams of food scraps, like old fruit or stale bread. You're ready to get cooking. First, carefully melt the fat. And when you're sure it's cool enough, mix in the bird seed and scraps. Then put some string into a mould and fill with mixture, before leaving in the fridge to set overnight. Your dishes are ready to come out of their moulds. How about adding a perch for the birds to stand on? Now find a good spot to hang them in your garden or on your balcony. Watch as the birds discover their new cafe. And look up which species keep coming back for more. Why not make a bird diner out of your recycling? With a bit of imagination, your birds can sit down to a tasty bird burger.